Good morning, students. Today we are going to perform experiment meter bridge. Meter bridge is a practical application of Wheatstone bridge. Okay. The setup for meter bridge is this. In this, we have a resistance box, a galvanometer, Leclanche cell, one-way key, and this is the setup of meter bridge. Leclanche cell have carbon rod. This is carbon rod, okay, and this is zinc rod. So carbon rod is as positive terminal and the zinc rod is as negative terminal. Okay. Now, as you know that in Wheatstone bridge there are 4 resistances. Okay, so we make 4 resistances in this setup. Okay. Now, in case of meter bridge, as you know that two L-shaped copper strips are there, and one is rectangular copper strip. This third copper strip provides 2 gaps. One is this and another is this. Between these gaps, we can connect the resistances. So in this, we connect the resistance box. In this, we connect a wire to know the resistance of this wire. We use meter bridge. Okay. Now there is a wire of 1 meter length is clamped between these 2 points. In these 2 points, a cell is connected with the help of one-way key. Okay. So as you know that a meter bridge or a Wheatstone bridge has 2 arms. One is battery arm and another is galvanometer arm. So this is battery arm and a galvanometer is connected here. The midway, this is the midway of this strip. So this midway connected to galvanometer and galvanometer is connected to a jockey. This jockey is known as sliding contact. Now when we slide this jockey from one end to another end on this wire, we get null deflection at a particular point. Okay. So this jockey divides this wire in 2 sections. One is this and another is this. So the 4 resistances are: one resistance is for this length and one resistance is for this length. The third resistance is this and fourth is this. Once again, this setup consists 4 resistances, 1 battery arm and 1 galvanometer arm. Okay, so this is Wheatstone bridge. In meter bridge, we form Wheatstone bridge. Okay, now with the help of this setup, we find this unknown resistance. Okay. To know the value of unknown resistance with the help of meter bridge, we have the written material like this. Okay. This. But in this, there is no need to write the procedure. Okay, you draw this diagram only. Okay, After that, in observation, you draw only this table. There is no need of this portion. Okay, no need of this portion. Okay, now in this table, the first column is of known resistance R. The second, balancing length AB is equal to L, but there is no need of increasing and decreasing mean. It has a single column. Okay, then 100 minus L and then S. Have this. Only we need 1, 2, 3 and 4 column. Okay. After that, calculation is here. So you put the values and in place of 40 you use 30 centimeter. Okay. And the diameter, for diameter, this is 30 millimeter. Okay. The value of D is 30 millimeter and the length capital L is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. Now after this, result, precaution and sources of error. Okay. Now we are going to the setup. Okay. In this, first, as we plug in the key. Okay. Once you plug in the key, then the circuit is closed. When you make this circuit, then the easy method to check the circuit is correct or no. So you put the jockey at one end and look into galvanometer that it shows some deflection. Okay. Now we put this jockey at one end. Okay. Then the galvanometer shows deflection. Okay. Now we are putting this jockey to another end. Okay. The galvanometer goes to another direction. Okay. Goes to another direction. You can see. Okay. Now to calculate the unknown resistance, we plug out the resistances from resistance box. A suitable resistance. The suitable resistance we have 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, then 200, 500, 1000, 2000, 5000 and 10,000 resistance in this. But the suitable resistance we plug out are 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm, 5 ohm. It means up to 10 ohm. Okay. So first of all we plug out a key for resistance 2 ohm. For resistance 2 ohm. Okay. As we plug out this key, then we slide the jockey on this wire and note the deflection in galvanometer. As the galvanometer comes to zero at this position, the galvanometer at this position, the galvanometer shows null deflection. This has a reading of 55 centimeter. 55 centimeter. There is no need to read the galvanometer reading because it shows null deflection. Note the reading on meter scale, and this is 55. Okay. Now note this reading in table. For 2 ohm resistance, the reading length L is 55 centimeter. So 100 minus L is how much? 45. Okay. Once again we repeat this experiment for a resistance of 4 ohm. Now we plug out 2 keys of 2 ohm each. Okay. Then slide the jockey. The procedure is similar as in step first. We slide the jockey and find the null deflection. As the needle of galvanometer comes to 0, note the reading on meter scale. This time this is 68. Okay. So note this reading. For 4 ohm this is 68. For 68, 100 minus L is how much? 32. Okay. Now repeat this experiment for resistance 5 ohm. For resistance 5 ohm. For this we plug out the key of 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 2 ohm. Okay. Now once again slide the jockey and find the null deflection. As the needle comes to 0, note the reading. Okay. At this time, for 5 ohm, this is 72. This is 72. Okay. So 100 minus L is 28. Okay. Now we repeat this experiment for 6 ohm. For 6 ohm we plug out a key of 5 ohm and another key of 1 ohm. Okay. Then slide the jockey. Slide the jockey and get the null deflection. At this time, this is at 76. This is at 76. For 6 ohm, this is 76. So 24, 100 minus L. The last reading is for 7 ohm. For 7 ohm, we plug out the key of 5 ohm, of 5 ohm and 2 ohm. Okay. Then slide the jockey. Slide the jockey and get the null deflection. At this time, this give the reading 78. Okay, for 7 ohm, the reading is 78, and for this, the 100 minus L is 22. As you complete your readings, first plug out this key. Okay, now the circuit is open. We have no problem. Okay, now we have the readings. So put the readings in this formula. S is equal to R 100 minus L upon L. Okay, in this, then we get S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, 5 readings of resistance S. Then we give the mean S. How we get the mean? So S is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5 upon 5. Give the sum of these readings divided by 5. You get mean S. Okay. Now come to the calculation. Length of wire. Which wire? This wire. This wire. Okay. The length of wire is 30 centimeter and the diameter is 30 millimeter. Okay. Put both the values in this formula and take S from the table. Okay. So calculate resistivity. Okay. There is no need of this portion. Okay. Now the result is resistance of given wire. This is from table. This is from table. Okay. This is from table. Okay. Now the specific resistance. Specific resistance means resistivity. Okay. It comes by this formula. Okay. Then precautions and sources of air. Okay. In this way, your experiment for meter base is complete. The aim is find the resistance of wire using meter base. Okay.